Good day, a pleasant day to everyone. So, in this series of presentation, we'll be discussing about complete AutoCAD training course in 2D and 3D. So, this is a multi-series of presentation. So, in this first presentation, we'll be having lesson 1, draw commands. By the way, I'm Virgilio R. Cuajunco Jr., Master in Engineering, major in ECE student here at Cavite State University. Presently, I am connected to Polytechnic University of the Philippines at Margondon branch. So, to start with, lesson 1. So, in AutoCAD, we'll be using a lot of times the mouse. So, we have two types of mouse na pwede natin gamitin. We have a 2-button mouse, ito. Then we have a 3-button mouse, this one. So, in a 2-button mouse, from the word 2-button, meron tayong button 1 and button 2, or what we call the left button, right button. But here we'll call it the pick button dahil siya ang gagamitin natin pagpili, pag-point. So, it's the button 1 ang gagamitin natin. Then we have button 2, it's what we call the enter button. Ito yung right button naman natin. So, in a 3-button mouse, first, parehas sila, may yung pick button and we have the enter button, which is number 3 naman dito sa 3-button mouse. Then, yung middle button natin is what we call the snap button. This is a very powerful and a useful tool here in AutoCAD. So, some of us are using a laptop. It's recommended na gumamit tayo ng mouse. We'll be using a mouse. For, it's hard to use the mouse pad. So, kung saan kayo mas comfortable, it will be alright. But most AutoCAD users uses a mouse. So, for our proper topic for today is the draw commands. So, we have here line command, the point command, DDP type command, divide, circle, and the list. So, ito yung i-discuss natin for this session. So, why are we using this line button? Line command, the point command, DDP type. So, first we have the line button, line command. So, most naman ng AutoCAD, meron tayong draw palette. So, andyan yung line. But, ang problem, gaya nitong AutoCAD version 2022, hindi natin agad siya makikita yung draw. Isinet ko pa siya na para lumabas lamang once na pinuntahan ko siya dito. Usually, makikita lang natin tables, structure. So, yung draw, inilagay ko lang dito. So, yun isang problem natin sa mga AutoCAD version. Iba't ibang version. Kumisan, hindi pare-parehas ang palette niya. Andun nga, pero hindi agad siya naka-display. So, we'll be using this, the line command bale, na dito natin tatype lahat ng commands natin. So, kahit anong version ng AutoCAD natin, they have always the command line. So, dito natin lalagay lahat yung commands natin. So, first command is the line. So, we type L. As you can see, pag press ko ng L, lumabas yung iba't ibang command na pwedeng gamitan niya. So, by default, yung L, makikita nyo, yung L, line ang command niya. Later on, we'll be using list, LI naman. So, L, or pwede natin i-type na buong yung word na line para automatic na siya talaga. Pero, we can use the shortcut na L lamang ang itatype natin. So, pag press natin na L, makita nyo, meron siyang specify the first point. So, let's put here the first point in this area, in this point. Then, mapapansin niyo hinihingan tayo ngayon dito, makita nyo, line, specify the next point, or undo. When we press undo, sorry, dito pala, hindi doon. When we press undo, type natin enter, nawawala yung unang specify natin. So, for example, nagkamali kayo na hindi pa yung point na yun ng ano. So, let's try again. Point, first point, the next point, inilagay natin dito. So, ayan na yung line natin. Then, enter nyo lang. We have completed the line here. Try again. Let's, sa line command, L, then enter. Press the first point, the next point. So, we have created another line. And enter ulit. So, pagka wala, hindi natin ano yung L, nag-ano lang siya ng area. Inaano lang yung area na, for example, ito. Kung ano lang yung nasasakop niya. So, anyway, so, to resume, L for the line, buuin natin yung word na line, enter, specify the first point, dito natin ilalagay ngayon ang first point natin, second point, medyo tagilid natin. So, ayan. Mapapansin nyo, when we put the second, yung next point natin, pagka dinalag natin yung mouse, when we move the mouse, nagkikreate pa ulit siya ng another line. So, let's try, may next point po ulit. So, pwede nating gawing, i-click ulit natin doon. So, we have created another line na connected from this point kung sa next point natin. Then, let's try again, another line. Na-create natin. When we press undo, or type natin undo, enter natin, in-undo niya yung kinreate natin point na yon. Try again. Nag-click na tayo, ayun na. Then, pinress natin undo, U for undo, enter. So, nawala yung create natin na next point. So, we could also use the C command. I mean to say, the close command. So, yung makita nyo, di ba yung close or undo? So, let's try naman C for close. When I press C, and then I press the enter, automatic kino-close niya bali yung figure natin. From the, kung saan kayo point na huling next point ninyo, and sa first point natin, kinlose niya bali. So, let's say, gumawa tayo ng four side. So, line, enter. So, the first point natin, specify the first point, specify the next point uli, next point uli, another point. Then we press C for close. So, mapapansin niyo kinlose niya agad kahit na hindi ko pinot doon yung sumunod na line natin. So, that is for the line command. So, we have done the undo and the close. Next, we have the point. So, command is PO. So, sa line command ulit, let us type PO for point. Then, enter. Specify a point. So, saan ba yung point natin gusto ilagay? So, let's say, we put the first point here. Makita nyo, crosshair, ayun yung point natin. Then, PO ulit. So, ito yung point na, sorry. PO. Enter. So, let us put the specify a point. So, ayun ulit. Another PO. O, buuin natin. Point. Tinet ko, enter. So, saan ba natin lalagay? Ayun. Another point. Dito naman natin lagay sa gitna ng isang ano natin. PO. Point. Enter. So, saan natin lalagay? Dito. Another point natin. PO. Enter. Point. So, ayun. So, we have created the point. So, another command natin dito, DDP type. So, this is for the point style naman. So, line command, let us type DDP. Ito nyo. Na-press ko pala yung DDP. So, na-press ko pa lang yung DDP type. Then, enter natin. Makikita nyo yung mga iba't ibang point style natin. So, you can see the different point style. So, I am using a circle with a crosshair. Then, let's try to change it with a crosshair only. But this time, let us change yung size ng crosshair from 5, gawin natin 10. So, tingnan natin. So, you will see that point natin, naging crosshair lang siya, then, lumaki. Dumoble yung size niya. So, ulitin natin. Balik natin yung original na ginagamit natin. DDP. Then, a circle with a crosshair. Balik natin size sa 5. Enter. So, ayan. Binalik lang yung original na ginagamit natin. So, that is the using of a DDP command na pagpapalit or pag-change ng point style natin. Next, we have the divide. So, let us create another line. So, specify the first point. Let's say dito natin lagay first point, second point. Enter. So, I have created the line. Let's say itong line natin to gusto nating i-divide into 3 equal parts. So, command is divide or shortcut is div. Enter. Then, let us 3 equal parts. So, object mo, select natin yung object. Make sure highlighted yung object na gusto natin i-divide. Pagka-click natin, ilang segments ba natin siya natin? Sa 3. Enter. So, you'll notice, nag-create siya ng iba't ibang ng dalawang point na hinati niya into 3 equal parts yung line natin. 3 segments. So, 1, 2, and 3. Let's say itong line isang line naman. So, divide, enter, select the object, tong object natin to. Then, I want to divide this into 8 parts. Enter. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8 segments naman ang na-create natin. Let's say, mag-divide ulit tayo. Isa pa. Divide, enter, select the objects. Let's say itong line na to, ang gusto natin divide into 1,000 parts. Kailangan 10,000 yan. 1,000 parts. Enter. So, ito ngayon. Natin niya yung line na yun into 1,000 parts. So, halos dikit-dikit yung point na na-create niya. So, that is the way of dividing an object into segments. By the way, so next command natin is the circle. So, let's try to make a circle. So, ang command is C, o buong word na circle. So, enter. So, specify the center point of a circle. So, let's say, ito ang center point ng circle natin. Then, as I move on, hiningi niya yung radius ng circle. So, from this point na kung saan una natin select, hanggang diadrag natin. So, yun yung radius ng circle. So, ganun ang pag-create ng circle using a radius command. Let's say, command ulit tayo, circle. So, first point natin will be, mapapansin niyo, nagkakaroon ng kulay green doon sa tabi ng yung end line natin. So, inaano niya na yung isang yon ay endpoint dahil naka-osnap tayo. Naka-on yung osnap natin. So, yun yung endpoint. Click natin yun na center. But this time, I want to use, instead na radius, diameter naman ang gamitin natin. So, pwede type natin D or click natin to diameter. So, I'm specifying ngayon kung gaano ba yung diameter natin. So, hindi yung radius kanina, nasa edge ng circle, di ba? So, ngayon, using a diameter naman ang gamit natin. What if I want to create a circle na parehas? Gusto ko, specify natin talaga yung radius niya. So, command is C, enter. Dito natin ilagay. Yun yung pinaka-center natin. Then, pwede ko ngayon, i-drag lamang siya, pero gusto ko ngayon naka-fix para eksakto siya. So, gawin natin 5 ang diameter. So, automatic, press 5, then enter. Automatic na ang radius niya is 5. Yung circle natin. Equal part niya, C, enter. So, ito yung center natin. Dahil naka-snap siya. I want to use a diameter para equal siya dito sa nauna natin circle. But specifying a diameter, type ko ngayon 10. 1, 0. As you can see, filter niya yung naanditong measurement. Enter. So, equal. Parehas ngayon itong ano to. This is by using a radius na 5. This is by using a diameter na 10. So, equal silang dalawa. So, that is the command for creating a circle by using radius and diameter. By the way, as you have noticed, when I type C here, then I press enter, so I have created, pwede akong gumawa pa ng 3-point or 2-point method na pag-create ng circle. So, let's try using 2-point o 2P. So, ito yung unang point natin. Then, ang second point ko, gusto ko yung kabila para yung buong line na yon. Enter ko. So, makikita nyo, nag-create siya ng circle using a 2-point. So, yung point na to, tsaka itong first point natin to, and this second point, nag-create siya ng circle with that diameter. So, circle, enter. Let's try using a 3-point method. So, specify the first point of a circle. So, let's try itong first point na to. Ang second point ng circle, eto. Then, the third point of a circle, let's say I want this point. So, yung mga edges natin to, yung mga point na yun, siya ngayon ang ginamit nating way para makuha yung measurement ng circle, yung pinaka-circle natin na magtatag sa point, this point, and this point. Next command, list. So, LI. So, as you have noticed, type lang natin, LI. Enter. Select an object. So, let's say itong object na to pinili ko. Itong circle natin to. Pagka-click, enter. You'll notice na ito yung LI command natin, yung list natin. So, isang object na pinili natin, one found. Ang object na pinili is circle. You have picked a circle. So, ito ngayon yung properties niya. Radius is 4.0741, circumference 25.5983, area of 52.1449. So, parang kinuha lang natin yung properties. Try again ulit natin, list. So, dapat yan dalawang object ang pipili natin, yung dalawang parehas. So, this object by using the diameter and this object by using the radius method, di ba? Enter natin. So, it found 2 objects. So, 2 in total. So, yung unang circle, pangalawang circle, ito. So, this is the second circle. Here's the first circle. Ito ang properties niya. Mapapansin nyo, parehas equal sila, di ba? So, when we are using the list, inaano lang natin kung ano yung properties. So, that's all for this session sa ating topic na That will be all for our session for the topic draw commands. See you in the next session, and thank you for listening.